In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wise as a payment method on eBay. Whether you're a frequent seller or just getting started, using Wise can offer you some great benefits such as lower fees and straightforward international transactions. Let's dive right into the details. First, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Head over to www.ebay.com and click on the sign in button, typically located in the upper right hand corner of the homepage. Enter your username and password, and once you're logged in, you're ready to proceed to the next step. Now, we need to access your payment settings. Look towards the top corner of the page where you'll see your name. Click on it, and from the drop down menu that appears, choose Account Settings. Once you're in your account settings, you'll want to turn your attention to the left hand menu. Find and select the option labeled Payments. This is where you'll manage everything related to how you get paid on eBay. Next, it's time to add a payout method. Under the Payout Options section, you'll see a button labeled Add a Payout Method. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose a method of payout. For our purposes, you'll want to select Bank Account. This step is crucial because it allows you to connect your Wise account for seamless transfers. At this point, you'll need to have your Wise account details on hand. If you don't already have them, you'll need to open your Wise account and locate your specific bank details. This will vary depending on your currency. For USD, you'll need your ABA routing number and account number. If you're dealing with the Euro, you'll require your IBAN and SWIFT BIC codes. For GBP, you'll need your sort code and account number. Take these details and carefully copy them into the corresponding fields in eBay's bank account form. Once you've entered your Wise account information, it's important to verify it. eBay may send a small test deposit to your Wise account to confirm that everything is connected correctly. Keep an eye on your Wise account or your email for a notification of this transaction. Once you see it, return to your eBay account to enter the exact amount of the test deposit. This verification step ensures eBay knows your account details are correct and ready for use. Finally, after successfully verifying your Wise account, it will become your default payout method on eBay. From now on, all of your sales earnings will be deposited directly into your Wise account. This makes managing your funds easier, especially if you deal with international transactions.